Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Tony's Daily Bread. Today we're off to the city that never sleeps, New York, and we are making New York bagels. Enjoy the show, it's going to be a good one. New York style bagels are the original bagel in the United States. You can trace back the origin of the bagel to Poland and Central Europe. These bad boys are chewy and crunchy and totally unique. They are a bit more tricky to do than my other recipes so far, but so worth it. Step 1, we are making what we call a sponge. Flour, yeast and water mixed together. Then we leave that to prove for about 2 hours. Step 2. Now we add flour, salt, sugar and yeast. This is where we really have fun. We need to mix it all together, get it out on a floured surface and knead for about 10 minutes. You may need to incorporate a little bit more flour just for the kneading process, but we're looking for a really smooth, elastic finish. It's a good workout, but a necessary workout. Now rest in the fridge for an hour. Now for the fun bit, we're going to do the rolling. So we cut it down into 10 even sized rolls. Now we're going to do some rolling. So we roll them up individually. Now get some flour on your fingers. Dig a hole right in the centre. Start working it between your hands. Take your time to make some beautiful looking bagels. Don't take too long though, or you'll overwork the dough. Place them on a lightly greased baking sheet and then rest them in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now for more fun, a teaspoon of baking soda in your boiling water. Add in your bagels, 3 or 4 at a time. And we're going to just poach them gently for about 30 seconds on each side. Now leave them to drain on a dry tea towel. Now for the bake, grease and flour your tray. Add your bagels, egg wash, then sprinkle with sesame seeds. Then we're going to put them in the oven, 230 degrees, for around about 20 minutes. So here we have it, the finished bake. Thanks for watching. Get bagel making and we'll see you next time.